Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to adjust video quality on your Reolink E340 camera. Let's get started. And for that we will need to open this Reolink application and make sure that your camera is connected to this app. Now you would need to go in this Live View tab, which is located in the camera section. So just tap it to select like that. And here you can see the video quality options. You can just tap it and we have three options: clear, balanced, and fluent, as set it right now. So fluent is to save traffic, clear is for super sharp images. Let me just show you how it looks. This is fluent. Now let's switch to the clear one, and you can see my hand more detailed. And balance, just balance, so to balance between clear and fluent. And note that it may take a couple of seconds to switch to high quality, but then you can zoom in and see everything in details. You just need to click those arrows, and now you will be able to zoom in the picture like that. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.